Phim thua. evening to our esteemed judges, and of course everyone who present here tonight. This is the contestant number 1, TNDCYO. I'm honored to be here representing APCYO. I'm a girl who believes a power of dreams and optimism, compassionate and confident. I am 22 years of age. Currently, I'm working as a general manager in health and beauty in Bangalore. My hobbies include listening music and traveling. In the future, I want to see myself as a successful businesswoman. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Next we have serial number 2 introductory. A request to the media people. Media kamu bigay tayo. Nandito ang live today ay sound for magi. Ito na complete po kami. Media boy tayo zero na. Nandito ang live coverage tayo. Sound tipo lang dito ang demo ito guys. Thank you. Sound tipo lang dito ang demo ya.
A very good evening to all. Respected judges, our chief guests, parish priests, brothers and sisters, leaders from all the parishes and all present here. I am your contestant number 2 in TNDCYO DP from Sacred Heart Catholic Church, Mary Help of Christians Parish, Tamenglong. I am 23 years of age and I have graduated from Dana Manjuri College of Arts. My hobbies include listening to music, singing, reading books, and doing small crochet projects. My aim in life is to become a successful woman. And for me, a successful woman is not just someone who is financially stable, but also someone who is deeply rooted in Christ, and someone who does everything and gives her best in everything, whether big or small. Thank you all and enjoy the evening.
Okay, thank you. Contestant number 2. Okay, up next we have TNDCYO. Okay, then welcome her.
Good evening, TNDCYO. I am TNDCYO of Awangkhul Catholic Church, Tamenglong Parish. I am Maram Don Bosco. And my hobbies are listening music, doing art, and some crafts. Thank you.
Okay. Up next we have serial number 4, TNDCYO born May. Let us all welcome her.
Pleasant evening, jury members, honorable guests, and my fellow contestants and everyone present here.
My name is Tamjanthai Liu Gonmai, representing St. John Bosco, Kabum Parish. I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Social Work Department in Don Bosco College Autonomous Maram. During my leisure time, I love to read novels and do gardening. And I aspire to become a great leader of Social Work Department, and in the future, I would love to help the poor and needy of our society and to give help for them, for those people who doesn't have voice to speak up for themselves. This is your contestant number 4. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, contestant number 4. Up next we have serial number 5, Lumni Mai. Narason Watamaha.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Lumgai Mai Dang Mayo, your contestant number 5. From St. Margaret Catholic Church, Awangkhul, Kalpum, Paris. During my leisure time, I love reading storybook, listening music, and dancing. And my ambition is to become an air hostess. And my age is 16 running. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Luangchum, serial number 6.
Hi everyone, this is your contestant number 6, Awangkhul Gracie Panmai from Jiribam, St. Francis Church under St. Dominic Parish Hospital. Right now, I'm preparing for my NEET exam. Thank you.
Okay. Next we have serial number 7, Teresa Kamai.
Mazabam Liu Teresa Kamai Kawe. Oinam Long Saint Matthew Catholic Church, Saint Dominic Parish, Faitol Rigwang Tungay. In Tao Tao, I BSc Physics Honor Lana Takay Mamay. Tungkuday.
Okay, next we have serial number 8,
A woman whose smile or bend and whose expression is glad has a kind of beauty no matter what she wears. A very good evening, dear esteemed guests, judges, my fellow contestants, and you all young and vibrant youth of TNDCYO! My name is Hawala Dengmai, representing St. John Bosco Kapun Parish. I'm a young woman of 20 years. I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Social Works 4th semester from the Bosco College Autonomous Marang Senapati District. In my leisure time, I like reading books. It's either to flip over the pages or to fill up the pages. This is a contestant number 8. Ring Sang Yu TNDCYO! Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Serial number 8. We have serial number 9, NC.
To all my dear friends who are gathered here in this evening. I'm from Nungba. My hobby is to become a cat, and I'm 18 years old. Thank you all.
Okay, up next we have serial number 9, MC Kamai. MC.
My contestant number is 10, and currently I'm working as a manager at Contestant International Academy in Hyderabad. Thank you all.
Contestant number 11, Luangchum by 11.
17 years old. I'm representing of St. John Parish Numba. My hobby is reading books. I love to read books. My dream is to become a fashion designer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next we have 12 people review on my serial number 12. traditional attire hay man makam tuna ani boy hay mai hay nak thok mana bang hay ani to tradition hay mang kai bidan mai traditional story na ani kon pu kon rai hay.
The best way to predict the future is to create it. Good evening, everyone. Respect the jury's member, to all the dignitaries and all everyone present here tonight. I, Dinkul Luangchum, feel immense pride representing myself as one of the contestants tonight from Tamalong, Paris. I am 25 years of age and I'm a graduate in political science. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I love cooking. And baking and experimenting my own recipe. My biggest inspiration in my life is my parents, who have always stood by my side and give me wings to fly. Through ups and downs, highs and lows, I have never looked back. What I want to convey to all the youths tonight is to be true to ourselves, and all we need to wear well is our confidence. Last but not the least, the fear of the God is the door to every happiness and success. Thank you.
Okay. Up next we have contestant number 13. I love you, wrong way. Let us all welcome her. Hi. Mấy người năm nay sa nó xuống lâu lắm vậy. Anh yêu tụng traditional tụng dress hay. Anh yêu man cái bên điệp hay cùng giang rồi. Đi là nick tụng lúc tụng hay vì hay TNDCYO vậy này nào. Mấy quần phim nó nói vậy hay. Giáo là music là biểu nó không giáo vẫn tụng hay.
Good evening to all the respected judges and to all my friends and my seniors and all those who are present here today. I, Nela Pilu Mary Rongmai, bearing contestant number 13, and I'm from Nungang village, Assumption Parish, Awangkhul. Currently pursuing class 9th in Little Flower School. My hobby is playing basketball and volleyball. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. The ladies contestant